So it's the end of the day. I'm gonna be taking all of this makeup off, all of this beauty, guys. I'm not saying I'm beautiful. I'm just saying that my eyeshadow, it turned out really well. At least I like the way it came out, guys. I'm gonna be using this makeup product. I never used it before. This is the makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Can you believe that? Equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. I won't be using makeup wipes. At least I hope I don't have to. This contains 1 makeup eraser sample. This is just a sample. I'm going to be reading the instructions. I think this comes like in a bigger size. This is what it looks like. Ta-da! This is it. We'll see if it works. This says it's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Really? Great for sensitive skin, saves money. We'll see if that's true. I'm going to be grabbing my hair, putting it up with the scrunchie here. Get the hair out of the way. It's the end of the day and I'm just so happy that I get to take all of this makeup off. I just want to be comfortable at home watching a movie, not having all of this makeup. During the day, like, I like the makeup. I feel comfortable in it, but once it's the end of the day, I'm like, I just want to get it all off. First, the eyelashes. I don't like ripping them off like this, because sometimes you can damage your natural lashes and you can actually rip some of your natural lashes. But since I'm not going to be using like a makeup remover or a makeup wipe to do so, I went ahead and took them off that way. Okay, let's read the instructions here. How to use. So the first step, it says, well, before that it says machine wash hot with towel load. Fabric softener, dryer sheet, and dryer safe. That's pretty awesome. Soak, wet, and step 1. Wet, soak, and warm water. The warmer, the better. So I have a bowl here with warm water. I'm going to be soaking it in here. The warmer, the wetter, the better. Okay. Now I'm going to try and take off as much water of it as possible. Erase. Step 2, erase. Use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions. Step 3, exfoliate. Flip the long fiber side with the tag to exfoliate. Continue in gentle circular motions. Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the 3rd most wasteful product in the world, which is wipes. Wow, I can't believe it. I'm going to be putting it in this bowl. Remove the excess water, squeeze it a little bit. So it says where the tag is, this is the exfoliating side, which it looks pretty much the same to me on both sides. But let's go ahead and start removing the makeup, see if it really works. It says to use it in circular motions. It doesn't say to use any type of makeup remover or anything else. If this really works, I think I'm gonna buy the bigger one if it really does work. Ultra soft. While I'm doing this in circular motions, let me read this here. Best way to wash my face with the makeup eraser. That's one of the questions, frequently asked questions. It says, any way you'd like, with any load of laundry. For best results, machine wash in hot or with hot towel load. This says it helps remove your makeup, waterproof, and also lipstick. Can you use the cleanser micellar water in any other product with MUE? You can only use warm water. However, you definitely can. If you do, be sure to roughly rinse excess product out of your makeup eraser after each use. I'm gonna put it in water once again. It's getting pretty dirty, but it looks like it is removing my makeup and it's not that harsh. I feel like it's getting all dirty. There's no clean side left. I'm gonna start using the other side, but the other side is like a harsher side. Even though it looks the same, it says it's an exfoliator. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around because this side is pretty much dirty already. don't know, it feels pretty much the same. Both sides do. I don't feel much difference. I don't know what to tell you guys. Maybe I need to warm up my water even more. I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. I'm gonna put the water in the microwave. I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and warmed that water up and it feels pretty warm. Whenever I'm taking off my makeup, I don't like to struggle a lot. This feels pretty gentle on my face, but I don't think it's removing everything, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the water once again, squeeze the excess water, and it says the warmer the better and the wetter the better. So once again, I'm gonna be using this side that's dirty. Oh, it's warm, it's warm. Trying to get rid of this eyeshadow. I'm wondering that since it's just a small wipe and then it's already dirty, maybe that's why it's not removing it at all that well. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I feel like I'm still gonna have to go in and use my wipe or my makeup remover. But I do agree that this helps save the environment and you don't use as much wipes. I do agree with that. So that's might be one of the reasons that I might consider buying something like this. I like that you can just throw it in your washer. I just don't feel like it's removing all of my makeup. See, I mean, obviously if I keep scrubbing at my face, then it's gonna remove more makeup. I'm just gonna end it right here and give it a review real quick, guys, or 1 to 5 star rating. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 3. I think that if it was bigger, I could possibly remove all of my makeup. Obviously there's gonna be some residue left where I'm still gonna have to go in and use a cleanser and then go on with the rest of my face routine. I'm using an exfoliator, lotion, and all of that. I do want to say that it did remove pretty much all of my makeup. I still have some eyeshadow here and there, mascara, and pomade on my eyebrows. So it didn't remove all of my makeup, but I do want to give it, like I said, a 3-star rating. Like I said, if it was bigger, it could possibly help remove all of the makeup on my face. Possibly if I rinse it and give it a little wash, maybe it'll get rid of some of the makeup here and I'll be able to wash the rest of my face with it. I don't know. I think that since it's so small, I can't really give it a full review. I might look into consider buying some type of cloth or something that can remove my makeup, something that's not disposable like makeup wipes. As you can see, I still have some mascara, some pomade on my eyebrows. I still have some makeup residue. I still have some lipstick as well. A little bit of foundation. I still have some makeup residue. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Let me know what you guys think on this makeup eraser. Have you guys used it before? Please let me know in the comments below. Please let me know if there's something else that you've tried that's worked even better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be leaving you the exact price on this. This was a free product that I got. I think it was like on the points that I have at Sephora. So that's why it was free. But thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.